Hey guys, Steve from Lakeshore RV Center. Today I'm excited to show you this Fuzion Model 430, their top selling toy hauler. At 44 feet long and 15,900 pounds, this camper has everything. 2 bathrooms, 3 air conditioners, a generator to run the whole thing. Let's go take a look. The Fuzion 430 at 44 feet long has a 13-foot garage to fit all your toys. The rings are welded to the frame, so it gives you a nice secure for your toys, and then also features a full bathroom in the back with a shower. As we come into the main area of the Fuzion 430, you can notice the great storage here in the kitchen area, a lot of counter space, and also 18 cubic foot refrigerator. 3-burner stove with oven underneath and a full residential microwave. What makes the 430 Fuzion special is check out the seating arrangement here. Nice L-shaped seating with opposing seating on the other side. You can fit the whole crew right around in front of the 50-inch TV and the electric fireplace. Here we are on the upper deck of the Fuzion 430. You can notice the bathroom here, nice porcelain foot flush toilet, 1-piece shower as well, and a double entrance from the bedroom and also from the hallway. In the master bedroom in the Fuzion 430, king-size bed, storage underneath, but tons of storage. Wardrobe storage right here, and also washer dryer prep with an oversized shelf up front as well. At Lakeshore RV, we're going to offer you the best price in the nation on this, as well as nationwide financing and delivery. Give us a call, 231-788-2040, Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5, or 24 hours, 231-736-9162, and ask for Steve.